You're welcome to my channel. In today's video, we are going to look at how I made my first 1 million naira, and it's going to be an awesome journey. If you're new to this channel, please consider subscribing. This channel is all about business ideas, how you can grow your business, how you can discover new opportunities in your environment. Stick to the end of this video and you will never regret it. So consider subscribing if you are new in this channel. I want you to take note of this important fact. Customer satisfaction is equal to profit increase. What I mean by that is, if your customers are satisfied, demand will increase. They will demand for more. Now, when demand increase, price will certainly rise because you are going to increase the price. And when price increases, definitely profit will increase. So you see that customer satisfaction is key. So I made my first 1 million naira from donut business. You were not expecting that, but it's true. That is naked truth. I made that cash, that huge cash from donut business. And I'm going to share with you some secrets, some of the clues, some of the strategies I used and made that money within a year. Is a very lucrative business that so many ignored. Now, I made this money without even registering with anybody. You know, donut business is one business in Nigeria that NAFDAC are not looking at it. You know, people are not looking at it. This pressure of register is not on donut business. So if you queue into what I will tell you, you're going to make more than what I made in less than a year. We started with half bag of flour and grew to 4 bags a day. That is awesome. Now I'm going to share with you the strategies we use in growing so fast. Within a year, we were already, making use of 4 bags of flour every day. We were frying 4 bags of flour. So this is one great business. We grew like wildfire everywhere. We were supplying so much that people thought we were using other means, but these are the strategies that I used. Have you heard of 4G and Q strategies in business? Here are the 4 G's and Q that we use, and it blew up our business. The first G is good location. We choose one of the best strategic location that it was easily accessible by our customers. So if you want to start donut business, you must choose a strategic location that people can easily come and buy direct from the bakery, and we were making a lot of sales. Now, this was so good that anywhere you are in our local government, you can easily rush down. They were coming at night, in the morning. Sometimes they will come and wake us up to buy donut. So the location of your business can determine how far you will go. The second G is good marketers. Our marketers were the best. Those guys were not ready to take no for an answer. And any product they take out does not return. They always come home with the cash. They were rugged. They are ready to go out. Once we fry 1 bag of flour, one marketer, one person will take it out. And in the next 4 hours, 5 hours, is back with empty baskets. And these guys were rugged. They sell open new channels, connected to customers, strategized, and they were supplying like never before. We never depended solely on people to come to our bakery. We were supplying ruggedly. So I had 3 good guys that were ready to supply. Now in the bakery, what I did was to also keep a very beautiful, fair, attractive lady as a salesperson, and she's always smiling. She's always smiling. She will talk to you, so appealing. So that also made people, some men, to come there to buy. So we were selling, we applied these strategies, and our market was so great. Do you want more business ideas and how you can grow your business fast, how you could sell your product? Subscribe and click on that notification bell. The third G is good customer relationship. We are friends to our customers. They love us. No matter who supply another donut to them, they will not buy. They love our donut. They love our relationship we created with them. Sometimes little incentives, will keep that customer coming. Little things. So 1 donut can make a customer to keep coming for 3 months. So we created a very good relationship between us, the producers, and our customers, that relationship, made us to spread, to keep going. Our customers were recommending other people to us, and we were growing. So creating a good customer relationship will help you to grow. The fourth G is workers relationship. As the owner of the place and my manager, we were, like friends. Everyone, we ate together, we cook in the bakery, ate together, and then everyone is ready to go for the work. Those that are to market are out, those that are still frying will be frying, those that are milling will be there. The work was going. There was that friendliness, that oneness. We were like almost sleeping in the same room. So create that workers relationship. When your workers are happy, there will be rapid production. Production will be sure. There will be increase in. They will unleash their potentials. And when your workers unleash their potentials, when your workers are ready, when your workers are working with joy, no complaints. You will have a standard product, and the business will grow. So these are the 4 G's I use. Then the Q is the quality of the product itself. This is one area that we never compromise on. Our product was the best. Where you eat our donuts and then buy other product, other big goods, you will not stop buying our donuts. How do we get this formulation? Now, I went to the market and gathered more than 10 types of flavors, banana flavor, milk flavor, tantalizer, anything flavor. Now, when I came home, we experimented combining 2 to 3. You use 2 first to produce little quantity. We tested and found out that no, this is not good. We combine 2 others. We combine 3, combine some with onions, combine some with garlic, we made a lot of combination. That way we arrive at our own peculiar, special, unique product. And when people bite it, wow, and they keep coming. When you satisfy your customer, demand will increase. So these are the clues, these are the strategies I use, and I grew my business to a level that people marvel.